एक्सेल पे जा
Excel करता रहता है.
I think everyone needs to see this because it's fucking insane.
Because why are you looking at him?
Baby, I love you. Oh, I do.
Fully Chikna, a entrepreneur and an aspiring creative artist, documents his day-by-day life of making content and starting a business. आज हम थोड़ा कॉफी बनाएंगे और ये सीरीज ऑफिशियली शुरू करेंगे.
Check. Alright, so what's happening? How's everyone? I don't know what I'm doing, but yeah. This is me! Okay. Today, I mean, I am free the entire day and I have a lot of work to do. I don't know if this is going to be the start of the vlog series I'm trying to plan, and I don't know if this is going to even come to fruition. But okay, yeah. This is what it is. I have a lot of work to do. I have some books to read. This is Essentialism, if you can see. Then I've got some journaling to do. I've got some lot of stuff to do, and I have my coffee. And I think you don't need anything else but coffee for a good start to the day. And I have the timer, the 60-second timer, and it's inverted, but yeah. Sorry भाई, monkey मान रह गया मेरा पूरा.
तू लिस्ट डाउन कर दे रहा क्या क्या
नहीं
ये
मैं वही देख रहा था अभी.
पहले एक्सेल पे जा
नहीं मैं इसमें हो गया मेरा देख.
एक्सेल पे जा
Excel करता रहता है. क्या था इसका नाम? टाइमिंग राइट. और ये कौन सा अभी? हाँ पोस्ट. ये सब पता थोड़ा एक्स्ट्रा है बट ठीक है. फेस इवन वांट टू टॉक टू दैट गर्ल. व्हाट इज दैट गर्ल? Who knows what you might learn from taking a trip. I think it fits perfectly with the narrative.
at first I was like भाई ये कैसे पढ़ रहा है but then as I read it
I was like, this part goes well. Everyone का either some pass. Nobody comes into your life by mere coincidence. Trust your instincts. Fine. I think find the others is good for the
subtitle अरे नो if it और मूवी एंड ये जा रहा है पूरा टेक्स्ट आता है एंड बाकी सब पेड़ होता है एंड ये
Oh, that's such a बुरा idea यार.
Relax, buddy.
Alright, good morning everyone. It's like 5:30 or something, and I've just woken up. I couldn't sleep. I slept early for some reason yesterday, and I feel today's gonna be a good day. We just have a lot of work to do. A podcast recording is there today, and I have to edit 2 videos. I edit one for my client, and yeah, and I'll also start working on the business. It's gonna be a good day.
Just the two of us. We can make it if we try. Just the two of us. Just the two of us.
Alright, so I mean, I usually in the mornings I don't really work that much because well, I sleep very late. Usually in the mornings I just start reading some stuff or like just do some stuff which is like good for you, like self improvement, meditate and stuff. But today I just feel like working, so I'm just gonna edit a video and we'll see where it takes us from there. Video I'm posting today. Just finished making the reel and I feel like it's an insane one, bro. Like what a journey I've been through. The entire half marathon. It's been insane to just think about it. And been watching this again and again. I've been watching this so many times, but it's so good, bro. Like I can't even imagine how it's too good. And if the thing I keep is like if I like the reel and if I'm ready for my friends to see it, then I think I can share it with the world. There is some art that you keep for yourself, and that's a valid thing. There is always some things which are not meant to share with the world. But yeah, this one I think I just need to, because there's this. I think everyone needs to see this because it's fucking insane. Even if no one sees this now, I did it because I just did the task. I did the work, and that's all that matters. I'll look back on this because whatever I'm doing right now. This is all a digital diary. Like, it doesn't matter if you, I mean, of course it matters if you was or not, but like I just want to look back and I want to be happy that I documented my life and that I did something to prove myself, if that makes sense. Eggs with some olive pesto. Yeah, let's go. Good breakfast.
Also have this really cheap desk which works nicely. Those take weeks to months to arrive, and so
Side by side. After you launch the business,
What are the first thoughts? Rajiv अबे राजीव पूछेगा तेरे को
मुझे चाहिए भाई 2 रील्स अभी शूट करने वास्ते
एक दूसरे में कंटेंट निकालना मैं तेरे को भी पूछता हूँ kind of written similar answers in those 100 questions.
अभी
Something similar, but
that's actually good. मेरे पास मेरा idea था. I was thinking कि we I gather people around. ठीक है, we charge amount normal amount, and then we make them go through, like we kind of segregate them in like 6 different groups. ठीक है, and like मेरा sixth में idea था where we make them play the game of open up and they become have a deeper connection. But from that they need to go from 1 to 6.
I have the solution for you to find your soulmate, but I'm going to charge you X amount for that. But you're going to find your soulmate by the end of it. Would you take that risk?
Personally, I wouldn't buy it.
क्या बहुत कर रहा है मैं तो कर लेता भाई
Sounds too desperate.
अबे I would say maybe you'd find love. चल.
I'm not saying देख मैं personally नहीं करता, but there are people who would.
Why the fuck would you think? Like मैं तो पहले यही सोचा था कि भाई I agree it should come to me. नहीं मैंने एक बुक पढ़ी थी यार, उसमें लिखा था कि men now think कि now they not make the first move. But then why? Why should you not make the first move?
Do you think soulmate has to be relationship or like doesn't have to be? Or like ideally
As in?
like do you think your soulmate is
Bro,
like
क्या बात कर रहा है?
do you think your
As a
soulmate
friend handle is a section.
do you think your soulmate has to be your partner only or can it be a person like your friend also?
We live in modern times. But you know my idea was कि even if it's not something which end में even if you don't find love, it's a good night. End में you can have a party or like a DJ, like a house party kind of vibe, if you understand. Where strangers, it's not even house party, but like the strangers, they know each other by the end of the night. And maybe, who knows, bhai, आगे जाके कुछ हो गया, we never know. But they find love or not, we don't know. But we can guarantee one thing is deeper connections. But that's the biggest regret there's this book called Top 5 Regrets of the Dying. The biggest regret of everyone on their deathbed. सोच क्या होगा चल.
Not paying much attention to the personal lives.
That's number 2 or 3 I think.
Working too hard.
That's number 2. Number 1 is I wish I'd lived a life true to myself, not the life others expected of me. Everyone's doing a job that they hate. Because why are you looking at it? No, it's the fact that I wish I lived a life true to myself. Are you living a life true to yourself or the lives others are expecting of you? That's why I was thinking of the job thing, na. कि यार मैं जॉब कर लेता हूँ, मैं निकल जाता हूँ, I should move out. But then it's like, will you live a life true to yourself? If we want to start a business, we need to prove that we're open to strangers being friends. You understand? We're open, we're receptive, and tell them. Alright, so अबे यार ये तो इतना आवाज़ हो रहा है ना बाहर. I was just here to tell you that. What was I here to tell you? I was here to tell you कि that is the end of the vlog for today because I actually have no footage left. This is all Apurva's archives and there is nothing else because I forgot to record the stuff. The other stuff which like the rest of the conversation I had with Aryan and Rajiv, it is not it's a little bit boring sometimes and sometimes it's just too much. So I feel like I can't put that out there. But yeah, what I'm trying to tell you is a lot more things are coming up, a lot more vlogs are coming up, a lot more exciting stuff coming up and this was just the beginning. These are just some unfiltered vlogs with minimal, little to no editing, and it's just great for me to just like relax in this, just take a breather and just edit these videos because they're fun. They're fun to do it. And yeah, so I'll see you in the next video, but a lot more videos coming up. I have literally written this down. Wait, I'll show it to you. My entire idea is to wait. Can you see it? Yes. Tell wonderful stories, and that's what I'm trying to do. Is I want to tell better stories. I want to get better at telling better stories. So that's the week. In a couple days, I'll be off the grid a little bit, but we still keep going, bro. Like I'll still keep working, I guess. And the reason I haven't been posting at all, a lot of people have been asking me as to why I've not been posting recently on social media, and it's because, bro, this music is insane. I have to fucking put my microphone on, bro. Wait, can you just give me a minute, bro? Alright, I think the audio should be a bit better now. But what I was trying to say is the fact that I haven't been posting recently because, well, I have been slacking off a lot. I have been falling into really bad habits. I was sleeping at 4 o'clock and I was doing nothing but just watch YouTube and just random stuff, bro. Like, I've been really addicted to Suits right now for some reason, and I've like finished 2 seasons right now. I'm on the 3rd season, but like I spend all day just watching it. I don't think that's good, bro. Like, I am not doing work, and that's my entire personal life is affecting my work. And I just really thought about it, like, your business is just a reflection of your personal life. So if you have your personal life straight, then I think it's gonna be much better. I need to get a haircut. I know this is just for me, but I need to get a haircut and I need to shave. But yeah, what I was trying to say is that a lot more vlogs and a lot more stories coming up soon on YouTube, and yeah, I think this is just the beginning. So yeah.